to meet you, Johnny. I'm glad to see you. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Well, a beautiful weather.
It's lovely, Johnny.
Well, I'm doing a bit of work today.
Yeah.
I'm making new stuff or repairing old stuff or anything like that that you need done.
Well, you're very welcome and the right time, John. We need a milk pouring job made, if you couldn't mind.
Very good, very good. I'll make that. I'll make that. I'll not be long doing that.
And we'll have maybe a cup of tea and a tune afterwards.
Thanks a million. That's
then through at the tea time. And they would make all these orders and have them delivered and all too. And then knock a bit of money out of it, you know, too. Oh, very good. Well, then my father would have maybe might have a couple of nice ponies, he might have a few nice donkeys, and I would like still to do it, but I cannot do it.
And the day was sent when married we should be.
Sick of my own entertainment. In fact, I'm entertaining myself when I go to these places and meet all these people. That's what I'm doing. And as for the sake of that and that...